Okay, hello. Welcome to the new concept that we had talked earlier. This is Raita with me. This is episode 1. So, this is going to be just me talking about things happening in my life, happening in the world. So, episode 1 is going to be very, very, very interesting. It's going to be about things in general. So, we're going to be talking about a lot of other things in life, or a lot of chill things in life, a lot of about bullshitty things in life. Oh,
Yo,
yeah.
कैसे है?
No, I'm shooting an episode. It's called Raita with me here. It's
Right
episode
now?
1. Yeah.
Are you shooting right now?
Yeah, right now.
तो ये like this is your setup.
Yeah, I know I have a shitty ass setup right now, but it's okay, dude. I.
Okay. Yeah, okay, whatever.
This is a
See-
very, very shitty ass setup right now. I know there's a lot of clutter right now. There's no lighting. There's no audio. Audio is screwed. Audio is screwed. Video is screwed. I don't know, man. अतुल्य है नहीं आज. This is just a bad day going on right now. Can't.
But like तेरे को अभी shoot करना है ना?
हाँ.
So I have my lighting setup with me.
Really?
Yeah.
You have a lighting setup.
Yeah.
You have a sound setup.
Uh, I can arrange like in an hour, in half an hour maybe. चाहिए क्या तेरे को अभी कर सकते हैं अपन?
Dude, okay. Well, hello there. Like the setup? So this is our new experimental setup. Thanks to someone who I'm going to be plugging later on. Let me introduce you to this new show called Raita with me here. Atulya, please edit some music in. So this show is particularly going to be very, very short. Unlike my podcast, which a lot of people are complaining about, which are very long. So we're going to mainly divide the show into three categories. Three categories. Actually, four.
Yeah.
Okay. So I want Atulya to edit whatever categories I'm naming. Please, Atulya, edit me sambal. Okay, first category is going to be today's news report, where one of our news correspondents is going to be telling us what is happening in the world. Second thing, the main topic, the masala, which you guys are actually here for. That's going to be the creme de la creme of the video. Then next is our new. There are two interesting categories. First is today's. What was that again? Today's feature, where I'm going to be featuring one of the talented, like some talented people who actually need a shout out. Guys, please, we are in an artist community. I'm just going to shout out people who actually deserve it. The last category, which is my favorite, is called Nerdgasm, where I just tell nerdy or geeky news of this week. Okay, let's start. Oh, I did not clap first. Okay, so let's start with first. With today's news report, it's Mihir back in the streets.
Yes, Mihir. In today's news, the first news is Uttar Pradesh man bites off snake, chews his head off, and says revenge for snake bite. In other news, parrot in Madhya Pradesh has been arrested for saying obscene things to an 85-year-old grandmother. In other news, bride says no to marry her groom just because he performed Nagin dance. That was this week's news. Back to you, Mihir.
Thank you, Mihir, for that really good news. Second category is the masala. So, this is a very serious topic that I want to talk to you about. Since this is the first episode, a lot of people have been asking me, I like how I went into serious mode right now, like in milliseconds, dude. Okay, so a lot of guys have been asking me, what is veg biryani and how did veg biryani start? So let me give you a history about this YouTube channel and this guy. Veg biryani started in the pandemic actually. So me being an introvert all my life, I used to always, like any introvert will be, I used to always enjoy looking at people, not in a creepy way, not in a creepy way. Looking people as in observing them, realizing there are millions of stories around and they need to be heard, and that is what this channel is all about. So in the midst of the pandemic and the lockdown, we thought of starting a podcast series which was on our mind since a long time. This Me and Atulya were pitching this idea to each other since what I think October of last year. So we started this as a very relatable YouTube channel or videos that you can listen to whenever you're bored, or just not feeling in the moment. This was more like, we were thinking of more like, it should be just a friendly, what can I say, a friendly face that talks to you every Thursday, that gives you, tells you rather things that people take for granted. You learn a lot of things, and also get to know a lot of interesting facts with the people I love, the people that you love, the people that you recommend, and basically learn a lot of stuff from very relatable people. So if you see my guest, starting with Kaustubh, we learned a lot about nutrition and all the misconceptions that is all with training. Then was, I think, Dave, right? Yeah, that was Dave. Dave did a really good job on explaining how actor's mental health is, what an actor's mental health is going through the whole acting journey and the acting career. Ankita came on the podcast and told us a lot of misconceptions about stewardess or cabin crew that people have, and people think that it's an easy job, but it is not. Shout out to Ankita, by the way. सबसे ज़्यादा views उसको ही video हुए. Third, then there was Priya, who explained and taught me as well the importance of self exploration, why it is so important, and why everybody should be indulging some time on their own and be giving some time for themselves in this busy world and during this pandemic. Then there was, oh yeah, we did the writing podcast with Priyan Kautuk, which I think I have Kaustubh. Sorry, what did I say? Kautuk. Sorry, shit, Kaustubh. Okay, Priyan Kaustubh, where a lot of, not only me, but a lot of got a lot of DMs saying, that was very knowledgeable podcast where we learned a lot. People didn't know a lot about writing, and a lot of my friends who were scared of writing have started writing now, whether it be diaries or books or just articles online. Then we had a really really good podcast with Omkar and Nitesh, which was about photography, and which was about my field, which we started a sub series called Master of None, where we just discussed the business of photography in arts, and how every new and upcoming, what can I say, artist, photographer, cinematographer, anybody who's basically in the media industry should be, how they should be ready for the journey ahead. We had Makaran and Nikhil here, who explained that cycling is not just another sport that you do to just exercise. You can make a career out of it, and for me at least, it got rid of a lot of misconceptions that I had about just cycling and things like Tour de France. With Ritvik, it was about music and how music production is. I'm fucking sorry, dude. I'm sweating right now. Yeah, but that was it, man. Like, this is what I actually wanted to start Veg Biryani for. Veg Biryani was not just, huh? Oh yeah. Also, how did I forget? Charu. Oh my god. Charu's podcast, the conspiracy theory podcast. Dude, the Denver international thing that we talked about, such an interesting fact. Nobody knew that Denver is a creepy ass airport, dude. Like the facts, it's built like a swastika, or it's apparently owned by the Freemasons. Very mind boggling. So, this is the reason that we started the Veg Biryani podcast. It was for people to, get to know a lot of facts, get to know a lot of stories that a lot of people take for granted and not a lot of people know about. And I felt like a messenger who was delivering, being the middleman here of sharing people's stories to some people. And I'm really loving, the entire Veg Biryani team. Thanks for the support that we've got in these last 3 months, 4 months since we've started. I mean, we just crossed 150, and mind you, 150 is not a small number, at least for us. So yeah, that was the masala. That was the masala. Very serious for the first episode. Don't worry, we're gonna be coming up with really interesting stories and news for the next time. Okay, next category we are gonna move on to quickly is today's feature. Today's feature is so shameless plug. Today's feature is, drumroll please. I took the edit medal drumroll. Omkar and Nitesh, who helped us with this setup. They have come on the Master of None podcast. They both are really, really good artists. I mean, Omkar's portraits are, what do you call this? Is, this. By the way, Omkar is sitting behind. So I'm not just doing it because he's sitting behind. They're actually good. And Nitesh is editing, dude. These both have been very big influences in my life in the past couple of months. So they are today's features. Their links, their Instagram DMs, not DMs. What?
Yeah, I don't need
What the hell, dude? Okay. Their Instagram links will be in the description below. Please check them out. You'd really love them. Okay, next is Nerdgasm, my favorite category. Today's Nerdgasm episode. I'm sorry, not episode. Today's Nerdgasm topic is going to be Tom Holland is Nathan Drake. Really? And Mark Wahlberg is Sully. Being an Uncharted fan, I thought Nathan Fillion would play it. By the way, Nathan Fillion, best Nathan Drake. I mean, even the first names match, dude. If Ryan Reynolds is made for Deadpool, Nathan Fillion is made for Nathan Drake. I don't know, but let's see. They're saying Tom Holland will play a younger version of Nathan Drake. Mark Wahlberg will play a younger version of Sully. It's a movie based. It's basically a prequel. Okay, this is not justified. देखना पड़ेगा, but apparently Tom Holland is producing it. So yeah, that was the news. That was the episode. Dude, David Dobrik did this really good video. This is just general time pass that I'm doing with you guys. You should really check out David Dobrik videos. He came back again with Borat, my man. It was, in the words of Borat, very nice.
But like yeah, Borat 2 is happening.
Yeah, Borat 2 is happening on Amazon. Nobody's paying us for saying this, but a lot of people have been saying Mirzapur, Mirzapur, Mirzapur. It's not that it's bad and all. I'm just not interested in it. Oh, in today's sports news, United and Chelsea tied yesterday. It was the most boring, shitty ass match that I've ever seen. Okay, that was the first episode of Raita with Mir. I hope you guys liked it. It's going to be as short as this. I mean, for each their own.
Yep.
I mean, you can watch the podcast, which are an hour long, or you can just watch these videos. It's on you. We're just creating content for you guys. Please share the love. Please tell us how do you like this video or not? Do you like this concept or not? In the comment section below. Guys, please subscribe to the channel. Please tell us how the videos are in the comment section. Please tell us new topics for the podcast. Tell us how are you liking the new content? How do you want the content to go? Give us some feedback, man. And oh yeah, the setup as well, please.
Please talk about that.
ओके सेटअप को फीडबैक देने का है ना पुटिंग ओमकार इंस्टाग्राम लिंक्स बिलो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन आल्सो एंड ओमकार को डीएम करो प्लीज नॉट दोस काइंड ऑल्दो इफ यू वांट
No.
okay cool he doesn't want okay that was the episode guys please not exactly on every Monday we'll try to keep this consistent podcasts are going to be consistent every Thursday but we'll try to keep this consistent every week let's see because इतना सब लगाने को बहुत टाइम लगता है not as easy as possible but yeah this was the episode my name is Mir Chittar and you're watching West Video isn't the cut or what